Back in 2019, we set the challenge. S&M's now building new stores. We're now looking to export the inventory in our legacy stores into these future stores, and we now need to remove our product cans from our existing stores into these new stores at a set beat rate.
It's a first of a kind globally for nuclear. It's a brilliant piece of work that's looking at, can you use robots for truly automating a process end to end? These robotic systems are well understood in other industries, but within nuclear it hasn't really been applied in this way before.
So the automated stores project has now arrived at a mobile robotic solution. So it involves the use of wireless communications to remotely operate an automated system. It involves the capability to carry out manipulation tasks with the use of modular payloads. It incorporates into that system as well safety systems to be able to manage the tooling and the robotic systems themselves, and be able to communicate with an external remotely located control room in a way that is secure as well.
The project could be described as developing a first-of-a-kind solution for the nuclear industry. A process as complex as this and that has as many steps as this has never been fully automated before.
The regulator has now started to look at the complexity that an automated operation within Sellafield means to them. That allows us to then look at an end-to-end process with the doors closed, with no human intervention as part of that process. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year.
This system can be wheeled in and installed in a day, 24 hours. And as a result, it has very little impact on our current ways of operation. We can roll it in and install it and get it operating relatively quickly.
This system could be a major step change in terms of how we can showcase the approach we can use to demonstrate the reliability of such systems, and how we can provide the safety and security associated with technologies such as wireless communications and mobile robotics. And that can truly be a game changer in how we carry out our nuclear decommissioning activities going forward.
It soon became very apparent that using NNL through the technical services agreement was probably the best way to work with this. They were the best athletes to deliver this work for us, and being able to use a vehicle like the TSA framework has enabled us to collaborate with these guys really tightly. They understand our nuclear challenges, they understand the plant's requirements, but also understand the technical requirements to get the job done.
A partnership with the client has been absolutely crucial to the project. We can provide a satisfactory technical solution, but the clients themselves, it's their plant, it's their environment, and working in collaboration with ourselves, we can deliver a solution which provides exactly what they want.
It's like having one large team working on the same mission, which is absolutely fantastic for us.
In big parts of our organisation, these operations are carried out manually. So this is a fantastic step forward.
The ability for the robot to carry out the operation, I think, is fantastic, with the precision that it's got and the way actually it can do so in a safe environment.
Bring Sellafield forwards in leaps and bounds in terms of modernising how Sellafield works.
Should also make the whole process of moving packages and repacking packages to ship them elsewhere much more efficient.
We saw earlier just how many people across the supply chain are actually involved in bringing this into fruition today. Dozens of companies involved in this, all going to a single cause in terms of safer environments for the future.
Sellafield sometimes takes a while to adopt new innovations, but I think this is a very successful collaboration we've got going on here. I'm very pleased, very impressed, can't wait to get it into operation.
It's that combination of innovation, of commercial off the shelf, of working in partnership with NNL, coming together to give us what I think will be an excellent addition to our capability.
This type of automation is groundbreaking for the nuclear industry. We could use this automation across many different areas and many different sectors.
Within nuclear, this is an absolute first, and really setting the bar for the next phase of how we do things at Sellafield from both a technological point of view, but also a cultural point of view.
Collaboration, I think, is the key to all these high technical technologies that we're looking to deploy. Without these collaborations and broadening those collaborations, it will not succeed. So it's got to continue. We need to have more of them, and we need to bring them closer to the socio-economic benefit that we bring to the northwest of Cumbria.